Basic search operators. Searching on Google seems simple, right? But there's an art to finding exactly what you are looking for. You can harness Google's full potential by mastering the use of search operators, which help reduce search time and boost accuracy. By the end of this video, you will be able to use the search operators or effectively. The invention of Google has been revolutionary in so many ways. Most of us use it to search for information every day, looking for the best deals, deciding on a movie, or researching for assignments. But have you ever thought about how efficient your searches are? How many clicks before finding that golden nugget of information? Many people overestimate their Google search skills. They simply type in questions or random words that come to mind. This can lead to prolonged searches, sifting through pages of results that aren't entirely relevant. It's a misconception that any search query will yield the desired result. There's an art to harnessing search engine power, and it involves the use of search operators. Google might seem straightforward, but beneath its facade lies a powerful toolset: search operators. They are not complex codes. A search operator, sometimes referred to as a search parameter, is a character or string of characters used in a search engine query to narrow the focus of the search. Let's explore how search operators can enhance your search for information about noodles. Here we are using Google search engine as a tool because it is the most popular search engine as of now. Imagine you're a food blogger researching the history, culture, and politics of food with a specific interest in noodles. Using Google, where do you start? Simply type noodles in the search bar and press enter. Google's magic starts working immediately. The initial search provides a variety of results, including Wikipedia, videos, and noodle companies. Note the number of results that appear. Let's go ahead and narrow down our search. To narrow the search, add history to the search bar and press enter. Notice how the search results change. Even the page changes. Google tweaks the search algorithms all the time. Google automatically assumes an AND relationship between separate words in a query. The AND operator ensures all terms appear in the search results. The keywords noodles history direct Google to find pages discussing both noodles and their history. By adding the word history, you are narrowing down the research to find out the origin of noodles. The search results have reduced significantly from before. To narrow down the results further, add the word origin to the search keywords and press enter. As you can see, the search results and the number of results have changed after the addition of the new term. If you want to find more about a specific type of noodles, say ramen noodles, add it to the keywords in the search bar. Note that as you type, Google suggests keywords that you can select. Press enter. Google's keyword suggestions may also be listed on the page containing the search results. They are useful in refining your search. These suggestions can guide you to paths you might not have considered. Let's move on to the OR operator. Sometimes specificity isn't the goal. Suppose you are exploring both noodles and pasta. Searching for noodles pasta will include results with both terms. To broaden your search, enter noodles or pasta in the search bar and press enter. This fetches results with either noodles or pasta. Remember to capitalize OR for this to work. You can also use the pipe symbol instead of the OR operator for an inclusive search where either of the specified terms or conditions are included in the search results. When using the Google search engine to search for information, remember that the more precise keywords you choose to enter into the search bar, the better the search results. Also, avoid using sentences in your search query. Lengthy sentences can confuse Google, making your results less relevant. If initial keywords don't yield what you are after, don't give up. Check out Google's suggested keywords or try a new combination. Search operators help unleash the full potential of Google. By understanding and leveraging search operators, you can cut down on search time and find more relevant information, making your online quests more fruitful and efficient.